Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, we're going to be taking some money back to bank. Miss V been using her debit and credit card. So if you want to see how much I have to take back to the bank, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing? You like my nails? Check me out. Check me out. Yeah, you know I love butterflies, so yeah. So today we're gonna be taking some money back to the bank because I've been using my debit card. So we're gonna go ahead and slide the tray right there, and I'm gonna be using this expense tracker that I modified on Canva. If you're interested, it's a link in my description box. You can just download it for free if you have a Canva subscription. Even if you have the free version, you still should be able to download it. If you're not, just let me know. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I have to take money out of these binders. So the first thing I need is $40. I had to pay a $40 deposit to get my hair done, so that comes out of self-care. So we're gonna see. I think I only have $23 in self-care, so the other money probably gonna have to come out of unbudgeted, because you know Miss V, I don't take anything out of Miss V envelope until I have exhausted all other envelopes. So self-care, where are you? Here we go. We have $23 in here, I think. So yeah, so there's 21, 2, 3. So we'll get the other 17 out of unbudgeted when we get to that binder. So let me go ahead and update my self-care. And so now we have $0. Well, it's time for me to clean it, so I'll do that later. So that's self-care, $40. Next we're gonna go to, let me see if anything else comes out of this envelope. Home and investments. So let's go to home. I picked up some items to go in my office, my second office in my apartment. I picked up some items from Five Below. So we need 20 out of here. So that's 20 for home. So we're gonna have $55 left in home. So I'll update that. Then we gotta take out, November only has 30 days, so we have to take out $30 out to invest. I'll take that out as well because they've already taken the money out of my account. Today is the 2nd, so yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. So I'm gonna put 0. So I'll take that out. 20 and a 10. So that's it. Nothing comes out of Miss V, nothing out of month ahead. I did self-care, nothing out of subscriptions. All right. So that's it for that binder. Next we're gonna do that was my high priority binder. Now we're gonna do my low priority binder. Got quite a bit coming out of this one. Let's see, nothing out of anniversary. Birthdays, I sent my sister $40 via Cash App for her birthday. So we're gonna take $40 out of here. So that leaves 60. Nothing out of there. Nothing out of there. Candles, I've satisfied that one. And I'm going to send $20 to Gina, Renee Budgets. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out in cash though. So yeah. We're gonna put that little flimsy $10 and $1 back in there. And next we have, let's put, come on now. This is my new envelope. I gotta put a label on it. It's for coin collection because I've been using my own money for coin collection, and I figured I needed a sinking fund because I'm really interested in it. So yeah, I'll be getting a telescope, magnifying glass, all the things. Yeah, it's very interesting. Okay, support small businesses. I bought one of those affirmation cards from Gina Renee Budgets. I'll insert it on the screen, and yeah, so we're gonna take $5 out of here. And then for unbudgeted. So we're going to take 17, because remember, I owe myself 17 from my $40 lock appointment. So I'm going to put a 20 and put $3 back over here. So that worked out good. So that's 33 we have in there. So that's it for this one. But I think I have to come back to this one because my husband did some things and I don't think he have enough in his envelope. So we're going to put that over to the side. So now we're going to go in my family binder. My husband. Okay. So on his job, his supervisor or lead person or whoever caught a mistake that he was supposed to catch, but the person caught the mistake for him, and it really saved, you know, him a lot of heartache. So he thought it would be nice to get that person a gift card. It was a young lady, and so he wanted to get her like a Ross gift card because she loves Ross. So when he mentioned it to me, I'm thinking he gonna do like, you know, $15, $20. He got her a $50 gift card. So I was like, what? Then I was like, okay, that's fine. So we're going to take $50 out of his envelope. But he also purchased a new, PlayStation 5 joystick, and it was $50 too. So we need about $100. So I don't think we have enough. We got 20, 40, 60, 80, 95. So I just take the whole 95. That's for the gift card and the joystick that he purchased. So that worked out good. If he wouldn't have had enough, I would have got the rest of it out of unbudgeted. But I thought that was real nice that he thought to do that. So yeah, she was very appreciative because she loves Ross. So we're going to update his thing, and he has $0. I'm sure it'll be filled back up soon. So we took $95 out of his. And as I mentioned earlier, I let my daughter use my Old Navy card to get my grandkids some clothes. So I'm taking all their money out of here because I paid that card off. So yeah, he had $35. Taking it out. Yep. The Christmas will come out of my Christmas sinking fund. So they'll have something for Christmas. Don't y'all worry. You know, it's personal finance. Everybody do this the way they want to. Okay. I haven't done anything for him lately. But I did do something for my granddaughter for her birthday. I'm taking my money out of hers too. Oh, this one. Yeah, this Old Navy. Take hers out. She had $35. Just gonna go replace my money where I paid that card off. So yeah, I love this cash envelope system. I'm addicted to it. I be thinking of things to buy just so I can use my $20 for him. Just so I can come in these and shop in these envelopes. Shop in the envelopes. Maya, her birthday is December the 10th. I went ahead and purchased her birthday gift, and it was like 20. It was $30. So we're gonna take $30 out of her envelope. Yep. Her money comes out 20, 40, 45. God, it's hot in here with this ring light and this candle on. And I got on this sweater. Whew. Okay. Money don't want to act right today. Okay, so she has $45. So 12, 2. Alrighty, I think that's it for this binder. Okay, now for my travel assignment with my apartment, I've already paid the rent for December, so we're getting ready to stuff for January. I'm trying to stay a month ahead. Rental insurance came out. They took $21.74 out of my account, so we're going to do $22. So we're down to $0. Time to restuff this for January. Internet, it comes out I think I've already paid it for December. Yeah. Electric, it's getting ready to come out. It'll be $68. It comes out on the December the 16th. So that's going to leave that 102. So we're going to go ahead and take that 68 out. So that's 70. I put $2 back. It's working out good. I love it. 102. So I'm ahead with the electric. So I'm going to still stuff it every month so I can stay ahead. Nothing in laundry, nothing in miscellaneous. So that's it. Let's see how much money we got to take back to the bank. And so we can put this one up because I didn't have to use my unbudgeted for my husband expenses. So let's see how much we're taking back to the bank. Ooh, I sure had to count with that 50. But I'm going to do it. I can do it. Just tell yourself you can do it. All right, we got. Straighten the camera up. Uh-oh, sorry. Let me fix the camera. Here we go. So we got 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 380, 390, 400, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. $440 that goes back to the bank. So that's going to conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.